Hi guys, welcome to Mark's Home Kitchen. So today's video is all about recreating irresistible flavours of Chinese restaurant style peppered beef with Mange Tout. So grab your aprons and let's get cooking. Start, we're going to grab 250 grams of sirloin steak and we're going to pop it in the freezer for approximately 45 minutes until it's just frozen. Freezing makes it slightly easier to slice. Once ready, we're going to cut the steak into thin slices across the grain and then we're going to set that to the side. Now let's move on to the veggies. You'll need 125 grams of trimmed Mange Tout, a 1-inch piece of fresh ginger peeled and grated, half a large red pepper cored and de-seeded, half a red chilli sliced, 2 spring onions finely chopped, and a small bunch of parsley. Now let's prepare the sauce. In a bowl I'm going to mix 1 tablespoonful of corn flour with 1 tablespoonful of water and stir until well combined. Then I'm going to add 2 tablespoonfuls of dark soy sauce and 1 tablespoonful of soft brown dark sugar to the mixture. Stir everything together thoroughly and set the sauce to the side. So now let's move over to the stove. Grab a wok or large frying pan, spray with some sunflower oil, and to that we're going to add the grated ginger, the sliced chilli, the chopped spring onions and the diced red pepper. We're going to stir fry these aromatic vegetables for approximately 5 minutes. And then we're going to add the Mange Tout. We're going to cook for an additional 2 minutes. Once cooked, we're going to remove all the vegetables from the pan and we're going to set them to the side. Now folks, if you're enjoying my videos, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and drop me a comment on any videos that you'd like me to make. Now spray the same pan with a little more oil and then we're going to add the thinly sliced steak. We'll cook it for about 2 minutes and then we're going to sprinkle in half a tablespoonful of Chinese spice. Now we'll stir fry that for another minute just to release the flavours of the spice and get all the steak coated. And then we're going to remove it from the pan and we're going to set it in with the vegetables. So now it's time to bring all those flavours together. In the same wok we're going to pour in the corn flour mixture and 150 millilitres of water. We're going to bring it to the boil and let it simmer until it thickens and becomes glossy. Now once the sauce is ready, we're going to return all the ingredients, the vegetable and the steak, to the pan. Give everything a good stir fry for approximately 1 minute until it's all heated through and well covered in the delicious sauce. And now it's time to serve. To serve, you can enjoy this mouth-watering dish over a bed of noodles or with some rice. Feel free to garnish with the freshly chopped parsley and get ready to savour the flavour of this Chinese restaurant-style peppered beef and Mange Tout. Now folks, again, thanks for watching and I hope to see you in my further videos.